guys, I'm Sil, and today we're in Prospect Heights. This neighborhood is anchored by incredible cultural institutions such as the Public Library, Brooklyn Museum, Grand Army Plaza right behind me, and obviously Park Slope. Let me show you around. Let's go! Prospect Heights is compact in size but rich in offerings. Sandwiched between Fort Greene, Park Slope, Crown Heights, and PLG, Prospect Heights is incredibly well situated. Eastern Parkway, Prospect Heights' southern border, was the first parkway in the world, built between 1870 and 1874. It was designed by Olmsted and Vaux of Central Park fame. Some notable buildings along the parkway are Richard Myers' One Grand Army Plaza. I love this unique condo's floor-to-ceiling windows and stunning interiors. A building offering great values, especially compared to Richard Myers' condo, is the Theodore Roosevelt Co-op, located at 125 Eastern Parkway. Another significant development is the Pacific Park mega project bordering Atlantic Avenue, where you get amazing amenities and high-end condos right at the foot of Barclays Center. Prospect Heights offers amazing cafes and restaurants, mostly located along Vanderbilt and Washington Avenues. And this here is my favorite place, Chuco's. Their veggie ramen is the bomb. If you'd like to know more about Prospect Heights, give me a call. I'm Sil, and I'll see you next time.